We're a small contracting company from Tampere. We do road maintenance all year around, so road maintenance in the summertime and also road maintenance in the winter time. I've been actively using Intuitu Smart Tires for 1.5 years now. Before Intuitu Smart Tires, I checked my tires only a few times a year with the meter and also visually. Nowadays, when I'm using Intuitu Smart Tires, so I can check the tire pressure and the temperature every day, easily just taking my phone and checking the app. It's based on facts, not just visual checking. Following the pressure is important because when you use the right tire pressure, it makes fuel consumption better and also the tire durability is better.